Imagine an online store gets 10,000 visitors in 1 month. Only 100 people buy. The store then improves its product photos, adds reviews, shows delivery information clearly, simplifies checkout, and makes the Buy Now button easier to find. The next month, the same 10,000 visitors create 200 sales. Did the store get more traffic? No, it generated more value from the same traffic. This is conversion rate optimization, or CRO. CRO is the process of improving a website, landing page, form, offer, or checkout so more visitors take the desired action. That action may be buying, booking, subscribing, downloading, signing up, or contacting the business. The first part of CRO is clarity. Visitors should quickly understand what the business offers, who it is for, why it matters, and what they should do next. A weak headline says, "Welcome to our platform." A clearer headline says, "Learn digital marketing step by step through beginner-friendly lessons." Confusion reduces conversions. The second part is trust. People hesitate when they do not trust a website. Reviews, testimonials, ratings, guarantees, secure payments, clear return policies, real customer photos, and professional design can reduce that uncertainty. People do not only buy products, they buy confidence. The third part is removing friction. Friction is anything that makes action difficult. This includes slow pages, long forms, hidden delivery charges, too many checkout steps, poor mobile design, and confusing navigation. For example, a clear booking button and a short form will usually perform better than a complicated process. The fourth part is motivation. People act when the value feels strong enough. Clear benefits, strong offers, guarantees, discounts, useful bonuses, and honest urgency can increase motivation. Instead of simply saying, "Buy this course," a business could explain the outcome. Learn how websites, search, advertising, data, and AI work together in digital marketing. The fifth part is the call to action. A call to action clearly tells visitors what to do next. Examples include buy now, book a free trial, start learning, download the guide, get a quote. The wording should be clear and specific. Design also matters. Good design guides attention toward the headline, benefits, proof, offer, and action. A beautiful but confusing page will still fail. Mobile experience is equally important because many customers browse and buy through their phones. Buttons must be easy to tap, forms must be simple, and pages must load quickly. CRO also depends on testing. Businesses can test different headlines, images, offers, buttons, forms, and layouts. This is called A/B testing. Instead of guessing which version is better, the business uses data to see which version creates more action. The simplest definition is this. Conversion rate optimization means improving the customer experience so a higher percentage of visitors become leads, subscribers, bookings, or customers. More traffic is not always the answer. Sometimes the real opportunity is fixing what happens after people arrive. The next topic is performance marketing, how businesses use paid advertising to generate measurable results and revenue.